Well, the deaths of Callie Brunett and her daughter Erin led one Louisiana lawmaker to look into the state's Amber Alert system. If you remember, it was 3 hours between the time Erin and her sister Jaylee were reported missing when the state police issued that alert. Now, this lawmaker says the system should be reviewed and improved.
Just wanted to make sure that in Louisiana, even though the Amber Alert system is a national guidelines that we have, doesn't mean that we can't be at the forefront to modernize that process and make sure that it's the most efficient and effective way possible in case there ever is a future Amber Alert.
WWL Louisiana reporter Rachel Handley is looking into this and will share more. She has an update from state police and more from Representative Dixon McMakin tonight at 5 o'clock.
First of all, it originated here. It involves local people here, and I feel strongly that this community deserves the right to have it ultimately resolved and decided here.
And that was Tangipahoa Parish District Attorney Scott Perrilloux. He feels strongly that Tangipahoa should be the first place where this case should go to trial, despite the second crime seen in Jackson, Mississippi. Perrilloux said there are ongoing discussions with Mississippi and federal prosecutors to determine how to proceed in prosecuting the suspects, Daniel Callahan and Victoria Cox. He also discussed whether or not to pursue the death penalty. Our Winston Reed joins us with more.
The same day, family and friends of Callie and Erin Brunett laid the two to rest. A grand jury in Tangipahoa Parish indicted Daniel Callahan and Victoria Cox with 4 charges each. Both are now facing murder charges in Louisiana and Mississippi. Callahan was indicted with 2 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of aggravated kidnapping of a child, and 1 count of second-degree kidnapping. Cox was indicted on 1 count of first-degree murder, 1 count of aggravated kidnapping of a child, 1 count of second-degree kidnapping, and 1 count of being an accessory after the fact. District Attorney for the Tangipahoa Parish answered questions about aiming for the death penalty. Investigators in Mississippi agreed that the death penalty would be justified. This comes after Callahan requested that he himself be executed.
That decision has not fully been made yet. It is subject, obviously, the indicted offenses do carry the death penalty as a penalty. This could be capital cases. I would just like the opportunity to have more of a discussion with the family about this, that particular issue on the death penalty.
Callahan also faces a federal kidnapping charge. His next court date in a Mississippi federal courtroom is Tuesday.
Winston, thank you.